welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making chicken back soup for you. Chicken back soup is a very popular soup in Jamaica, and you can use chicken foot instead of the chicken back, or you can use any part of the chicken. Just feel free to use what you want to use, but a lot of people they do throw the chicken back out because it is mostly bones, but it is really good for cooking soup. We don't drink soup, we eat soup. Soup is a food, and it can be thin as well as it can be thick. Okay, so soup, we eat it with a spoon. Alright, so that's what I'm making for you today. Chicken back soup. Let's get started. Oh my God. This is awesome. It's real good soup. Mercy me. This is good. Cut away the other parts of the meat to reveal the backbone. Trim the excessive fat. Clean the chicken back with vinegar and lime. Now I'm gonna season the chicken, but I must point out that this is optional, as the meat will absorb all the flavor from the soup. But let us remember that one of the principles of cooking a good soup is to brown or sear the meat. So you can, it's a matter of choice. I rather to season my meat and also brown it in some cases. After seasoning the meat like this, it allows me to put less seasoning in the pot further on. Massage the meat when you finish seasoning and place in a Ziploc bag and place it into the refrigerator to marinate. Add 6 to 8 cups of water to the pot and allow to boil before adding the meat. Now I'm getting my pumpkin ready, and the pumpkin is what gives the soup that rich color. Peel and prepare the ground provisions. We can use coco, Irish potato, sweet potato, yellow yam, white yam, breadfruit. We can use different types of fruits and vegetables. It's your choice. You just have to be creative and do what you want to do. You don't have to follow any specific recipe when you're making soup. The water is now boiling, so it's time to add some seasoning and the chicken back to the pot. And remember, I said you can substitute the chicken back for chicken foot or any other part of the chicken, like the drumsticks, and you can use fish, any other meat. Okay, so now I'm going to knead the flour to make the dumplings, and I like my soup with dumplings. Yes, without dumplings, wow, it's no soup at all. add the carrots to the pot. Okay, I'm gonna add some more seasoning to the pot. This is gonna give it the perfect flavor. Alright, start making and dropping those dumplings in the pot. Add butter to the pot. Now it's time to add my corns. Now I'm going to add my ground provisions to the soup, and remember I said you can use different types of ground provision: coco, yam, sweet potato, Irish potato, breadfruit. You know, you can use up to about 4 or 5. Now I'm adding my chicken noodle soup mix, and this has a lot of spice. It will definitely give the soup more flavor and color. Yes, I'm adding a few spinners to the pot. This will give it some more body, but this is optional. To the pot, and I'm doing this last because the plantain is soft and I don't want them to mash. Now cover the pot and allow it to simmer. This thing is delicious. This is awesome. It's real good soup. Mercy me. This is good. Man.